think it's this train? I'm not sure. District lorries, I think.
2 days after we got married, Carla suggested we sell everything, buy a boat and set sail. A year later we did just that. In the Canaries we picked up our naked sailor, Dobby. This is our adventure. So we're going to the main change station, and then get the train to Lagos, and then we're going to walk from there to Praia, which has been rather interesting, I think.
Yeah. So, yeah.
Task of the day. What part of our scheme to do 115 miles?
Yeah, we are on 83 at the moment, and we want to do 100 before we go to London, which is in 2 days. Repeat of the other day, isn't it?
I think we can get through this way. Go down to the beach and round the beach. Ooh. This is hard work.
Yeah. We chose a long run today.
Oh yeah. A view, isn't it?
Yeah, it's probably the most famous beach in the world because of what happened.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It is.
It is a beautiful view. Train back to Portugal, and we are exhausted. We had a huge lunch. It wasn't a huge lunch, it was a big burger. But
got told off again.
But yeah, so we still have to walk 2 miles to the boat.
Yeah.
So,
It's the 15th of December. And I don't know whether you can see this here, but the temperature is around about 74 degrees Fahrenheit or 24 degrees centigrade, which is incredible for where we are in the time of year. It's such a shame that we're going home tomorrow, back to the cold in England. That's what we have to do for Christmas. So, but this is stunning, beautiful weather.
we are on our road trip to the north.
Yep.
Take Dobby to Grandma. It's been what, halfway now?
Just about halfway, 400 something, about 430 miles the journey is.
Yeah. It's from one side to the country to the other side.
Yep.
just crossing Porto now. With more traffic here. Just to cross the bridge. How's the driving, Mr. Carla?
It's getting tedious now. But we were just saying, this is only the 4th time we've had a car.
It's just less than an hour now to ride. And Dobby's still sleeping here on my lap. So we are on the way to the airport now, which is more or less 45 minutes away from my mom's house. And yeah, we're leaving to London.
Going now. This is it.
Hey! Very enthusiastic you're coming. Passport?
Yeah, I got those. Before we go.
You have my passport, yeah?
Yeah, because sunglasses, no?
No, the sunglasses I took it away.
Well, am I allowed to have my sunglasses?
No.
Why?
Cheers.
Cheers.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays at last.
Yeah, so we are at the airport now. And yeah, all ready to go.
Ready to go.
See the girl.
Yep.
The train out to London.
Yep, this is on the delayed 17:36. So we're on it.
Hello everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video where we take a walk to Praia da Luz.
Yeah, we're on a bit of a program to do 150 miles walking in 4 weeks. So this was part of it, really, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And I'll tell you what, it was a fantastic walk.
Yes.
It was absolutely beautiful. The weather was stunning, and for middle of December, it really was lovely.
It is amazing, really.
Yeah. And so we went there. We had a nice lunch, a little bit of the old chicken burger. Chicken wrap, even something like that anyway. And yeah, then we got our way back to the boat, and the weather was stunning, wasn't it? Those last couple of days, it was absolutely
amazing. And then we start our journey to London. So we had to rent a car to go to Viana do Castelo, up to the north, to leave Dobby with my parents, because it is better than leave him in a hotel. So we thought we would drive there just to do
It was 450 miles near enough, and then it was another 40 miles back to the airport. But it all went very well, and we arrived here in London, and we're here with the girls. Yeah. So it's all rather nice. So everybody, I hope you enjoy your Christmas and have a wonderful time.
Yeah, I hope you have a really, really good Christmas. I know things are not normal as usual, isn't it?
Yeah.
For us, it's not.
No.
My parents are not with us because they are older, so they didn't want to travel. And so as much as possible as we can, just enjoy yourselves, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, bye for now.
Bye.